Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can insert 3D models in our Excel worksheet. So let's start. To insert a 3D model, go to Insert and select this option 3D models. You will see this box came up. So here all the 3D models are given. These are given to you by default. We can select one emoji, for example. We can select this one and insert. Here you are. Just look at my mouse pointer when it is going there. Okay, now this is a directional vertical and horizontal directional icon. So when this pointer will arrive, then you can click and you can drag this everywhere. Okay, but when you will move your mouse pointer to the center, you will see a round icon it has turned into a round icon. Okay, so this way, just click, and if you now move your mouse pointer, you will see you can move it like this way. Okay. Uh, you, you can move it like this way. Okay, so now we have to resize this. So I'm resizing it a little bit. Then, um, yes, this icon is for moving the shape. Okay, this is how we can insert a 3D model. I'm giving you one more time. Insert 3D model. Now we will not select any from this. We will select from here, for example, directional 3D model. Okay, they are not finding any. So I'm typing direction. Okay, so these are available here. Uh, let's take this, for example, insert this. Now we can place this. This. Okay, what we'll do, we can. Okay, I can delete. Select this one and press delete. I can select it right there. I'm resizing it. I've made it small. Sorry, selecting this. Okay. Now I will change it. It is this 3D icon in different dimension. So put your mouse pointer somewhere in the middle of this icon, then move. Okay, move. You move as per your need. Okay, I am moving like that. Oh, oh, okay, okay. I'm just showing an example. So this is how we can insert 3D models in an Excel sheet. Thank you very much.